Hello everyone! So this is Edmond Mindaros channel at sa video ito ay pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to check and view loan overview and connect to card app. So dito naman para makapag-request ka ng full details ng statement of account or other transactions, pwede tayong mag-request sa ating agent. So lahat naman kasi ng barangay centers na may connect to card ay mayroon po yung agent. So dalawa po sila, yung barangay centers mismo kung saan tayo nagbabayad ng ating savings and then yung insurance. And then mayroon po talagang naka-assign na connect to card agent talaga na nagso-supervise sa lahat ng barangay centers na may connect to card app. So dito kasi sa ating connect to card app ay very limited details lang yung pwede natin ma-view dito or makita dito. Yung savings transactions at loan overview yung makikita natin dito or yung initiate ng payment ng ating agent. So kapag nagbayad tayo dito ng ating savings and then yung ating insurance, makaka-receive tayo dito ng pop-up notifications dito lang sa ating connect to card app. So ganito yung marireceive natin ng notifications dito lang sa ating connect to card app kapag nag-initiate ng payment si agent. Ayan, so agent assisted payment, your weekly due payment this amount to the agent, yung name ng agent was successful mobile reference, ganun po siya. Okay, so dito naman sa ating app and then open lang natin and kailangan lang tayo mag-login. Ayan, so dito lang sa ating connect to card profile homepage, para ma-view natin yung ating savings transactions, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung savings. And then savings and then pledge, itap mo lang yan. At dito lang sa ating savings and pledge account, dito lang sa baba ay makikita natin dito yung for the last 10 transactions. Kapag ginagamit mo yung connect to card app mo, nag-transfer ka dito ng to e-wallet, bank transfer or other account, same account ng connect to card, makikita mo dito kapag nagbayad ka dito ng ating savings and yung insurance, mag-a-appear naman dito. Ayan, so for example, ito yung bayad natin sa ating insurance and then yung savings, makikita mo naman dito. So dito kasi sa download e-statement, hindi pa yan available, ganito yung makikita mo. So ang dami pa talaga na kulang dito sa connect to card app, so very limited po yan. So para ma-view natin yung ating loan overview dito, so same lang dito sa homepage, kailangan mo lang itap dito yung loans. And then loans, apply for a loan, hindi pa ito available, so coming po pa yan. So makikita mo dito na coming soon yung picture nito sa connect to card app. So since mayroon tayo ditong active loan na insurance, so pwede natin ito ma-view. So makikita mo dito yung active loans overview, i-click mo lang yan. And then active loans, so family insurance. So ito yung insurance na kinuha ko for 1 year ito mga kaibigan. So nandito naman yung details na principal loan kung magkano yung family insurance, yung outstanding balance mo kung magkano pa, and then yung amount due. And then next, kung kailan ito na date release, yung maturity date, so loan account, nandito naman siya. So ito lang yung details na makikita natin dito sa ating connect to card app. So kung gusto mo ng full details, so pwede tayong mag-request sa card bank mismo or sa ating connect to card agent mga kaibigan or yung ating connect to card yung mga barangay centers natin. So pwede tayong mag-request niya ng full details ng ating loan overview or yung other transaction dito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-view yung ating loan or other transaction details dito lang sa ating connect to card app. In hope na nakapagbigay ako ng konting kalaman at guide tungkol sa connect to card app tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.